Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to learn to knit this pattern. This pattern is only 10 rows repeat pattern and you will need to cast 10 multiples of 18 plus 2 edge stitch. And I have here for the demonstration I have 20 stitches here, which is 18 plus 2 edge stitch 20. So row 1 right side, row 1 right side, row 1 right side your edge stitch knit on the right side and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 2 together. That's the repeat. Purl 2 together. You will finish this row with all purl 2 together. We have done all repeats. Your edge stitch, last edge stitch, yarn in back and knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side. Row 2 wrong side, your edge stitch slip purl wise on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. Knit 1 and yarn over. That's the repeat. Knit 1 and yarn over. Repeat that again. Knit 1 and yarn over. Knit 1, yarn over. Knit 1, yarn over. And your last edge stitch, you're going to purl your edge stitch. So yarn over, you're going to do yarn over purl wise. Yarn in front, yarn over purl wise, and then edge stitch purl on the wrong side. Row 3 right side, row 3 right side, you'll knit all stitches. Edge stitch slip knitwise on the right side and knit all stitches. Row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. Now row 5 right side, row 5 right side, your edge stitch slip knitwise on the right side and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over 1, knit 1, yarn over 2, knit 1, yarn over 3. Knit 1, yarn over 3 times and then knit 2 together 6 times, knit 2 together 1, knit 2 together 2, knit 2 together 3, knit together 4, knit together 5 and knit together 6, knit together 6 times and knit 1 yarn over 3 times. Knit 1 yarn over 1, knit 1 yarn over 2, knit 1 yarn over 3. That's the repeat from here to here. For repeat pattern we have done knit 1 yarn over 1, knit 1 yarn over 2, knit 1 yarn over 3 and then knit together 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, knit 1 yarn over 3 times, knit 1 yarn over 1, knit 1 yarn over 2, knit 1 yarn over 3. This is the repeat pattern and you will repeat this repeat pattern for however many repeat stitches you have, and after you finish all repeats for a last edge stitch, knit on the right side. Now row 6 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 7 right side, knit all stitches. Row 8 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 9 right side, for row 9 right side, knit edge row 5, your edge stitch slip and then start the repeat from here. Knit 1 yarn over 3 times, knit 1 yarn over 1, knit 1 yarn over 2, knit 1 yarn over 3, knit 1 yarn over 3 times and then knit together 6 times, knit together 1, knit together 2, knit together 3, knit together 4, knit together 5, knit together 6 times and then knit 1 yarn over 3 times, knit 1 yarn over 1, knit 1 yarn over 2, knit 1 yarn over 3. Right, that's the repeat. Knit 1 yarn over 3 times, knit 1 yarn over 1, knit 1 yarn over 2, knit 1 yarn over 3 and then knit 2 together 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, again knit 1 yarn over 3 times, 1, 2, 3, edge stitch knit. Row 10 last row, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat these 10 rows, row 1 to row 10, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. See, after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. Wrong side looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.